is the lazy couch potato business model. It's the affiliate business system model. It's been created for you, so you can just plug and play. You click here, and I already done that. So this is what you get basically with one click. Here you can change it to my logo. You can also upload, if you wanted to, see here in the elements, a image instead of a headline. That's all you do. The image, you upload your logo. Let's just use this one here as a logo. You can make it smaller, larger, change it. Here with masks, for example, if you want, or drop a shadow, let's say, and without a shadow. It's very simple. Here you change to who is Bianca or John, whatever your name is. That's all you do. Here you click on the click action. Where do you want to send them to? Pages and posts, you know, do you want to send them to your courses, to your tools? Let's say to courses, bingo, that's it, finished. Here you do the same, you send them to, you can even send them to a custom link. In this case it would be, let's say, biteSize-Economy.com, ABS registration, bingo. You can even have it open up in a new tab. That's it. On the other pages you can just link, then you just go save here and you go publish, and bingo, you have your website running. Here, just for you to see, we have webinars here that are already done for you, sales funnels that are done for you. Everything is done for you here. You know, all these are courses already done for you. You can do your own blog if you want. We even have a live syndicated events. You don't even have to speak. Courses, tools, reviews, even the reviews here, they're amazing. The reviews are syndicated as well. That means you don't have social proof. It's already done for you. We have over 19,000 happy customers that you can leverage for this particular business. It's only when you go online. I'll show you on my site. Here, for example, you will see the reviews. See? Trustpilot. We cannot influence these people. These are real reviews of real people. Trustpilot is a separate company, and we have just linked it. So you can immediately use all of this for your own business. So let's just go, let's say, to courses. So you see, I have linked or opened this. People can watch it. This is a free course. It's incredible value what you get here. Even with the tools means you are offering additional multiple streams of income for yourself that help the people who are interested in that to learn more about all these different things. For example, GetResponse. This is the most simplest email autoresponder, and it's so many wonderful things. When you join the VIP Life Club, you have your separate economy community that you can exchange to anything you want. It's very simple. This is like your own social media. So when we go back, this is basically a one-click business. You can exchange the pictures if you want, you know, background image. You can do whatever you want. You can animate it. You can upload images that you want. You can change the colors. It's so simple. It's the simplest, easiest business. eStage is the software that runs this website of yours. It's very intuitive, it's very simple. What you also get, what I suggest, is getting the 100% earning commissions. So when you sell any of the courses I've showed to you, you can earn 100% commissions, less processing fees. So when your credit card is processed, the merchant is asking for a fee. So less that fee, you still earn 100% commissions on the actual courses that you're selling. And you can also get a cooperation, a co-op, which is traffic campaigns. It's the same traffic that we get for our corporate campaign, quality visitors. The sources is Google, email media, influencer media, and so on. It's actually done for you, high quality traffic to your funnels. You don't have to do anything. I can tell you this is the simplest, easiest business you will ever see right now. So if you want that, go out and check it out in the description below. I hope you like this. I hope you can see what's possible. If you want to do it more complicated, you can go and learn more about how to do it yourself. As you can see here, you can learn about all these different things that you need. I have marketing background. I have learned marketing. I have never met someone else who was able to make an entire course in depth for any business you can think of. Most courses out there are just very specific for specific industries. biteSize here has made it for every industry. This is available for every industry, and I can really and honestly say you'll never find information that you have here anywhere else. Let's just look at this conversion mastery here, for example, how to position yourself. You have case studies, what's the blueprint for it, for example. Or if you go to, let's just go back quickly. Let's say how to build a list or how to communicate. You know, for example, here, what you need to be doing, how you have to be, how to create, what is the formula. These different methods, have you ever heard of these different methods, for example, and how to do it to be able to be successful in copywriting. So what I can say is check it out. It's actually the simplest business. Affiliate marketing is basically just connecting. You're connecting already existent creations of any industry you can think of with the user who is interested in those things. In our case here, it's about making money, how to start making money this week. As you could see, it's before this week because I've just done it with one click. That's how simple a business can be if you want it to be simple. So go down below in the description and check it out. Good luck to you.